All right, guys, let's talk about Manychat, what it is, and why it's important. So, Manychat is what's called a messenger bot. It's basically the new email, how email once, kind of took over the medium before that. So, Manychat is, facilitated by Facebook. Manychat is a software company that is, above and beyond the next competition as far as facilitating messenger bots. Why it's important. So, when somebody actually messages your page, instead of, having to message everyone back, and as you start to scale and get more and more messages, because now I get hundreds or thousands of messages a day across all different mediums, and if I had to respond to every single one myself every single time, I would never do anything else. And so what is cool about ManyChat is you can have a default message that when people, first message your page, they see. So it could be something about your story of your store. It could be something, with a link to maybe your Instagram or to your Shopify store or to a specific collection, or you could, you could immediately respond with a discount code. And so we're going to talk about exactly how to set up, responding with the discount code to kind of incentivize people to come to your page. And then we're also going to talk about, why ManyChat is important. Because according to smartinsights.com, which is an email aggregation service, the open rate for emails in marketing campaigns in 2016 was 24.79%. So the open rate was 24.79%. So if we take a look at one of my sequences here, we can see that the open rate is 87.4%. So that means that, it's literally almost 4 times, 3.5 times better than email for 2016. So 87.4%. And the click-through rate for email is about 4.19. And I'd say this is actually quite generous, because I've seen, other people with open rates, as low as 2% to 3%. So, if it's 2 or 3%, but we're seeing an open rate aggregate over 4,703 subscribers to this specific sequence, of 11%, which is again almost 3 times better. So if you can get an open rate 3.5 times better and a click-through rate 3 times better, 3 times more people are going to see it and click your link and actually go to where you want them to go. And so it's going to make a huge difference in your business. So let's talk about what we actually want to use as far as ManyChat. So most of what we are going to be talking about, there's some more complicated stuff up here. What we are going to be talking about is the automation tab. So what you want to do is you want to set up your main menu. So this means when anyone texts you, they'll have this kind of footer in their messenger window, and they'll be able to click on any of these things at all times. So how you do this and set it up is super easy, guys. You just come in here and you go to edit menu. You click one, you want to, when pressed, open website, and they just go to my YouTube channel, right? Or, if you want them to go to the webinar, or this could be, my Shopify site. This could be, Golf Ninja's Instagram page, and this could be, some type of maybe YouTube video I made of the top 10 golf product uses, or the top 10 golf accessories for 2018. And so, you can make these whatever you want. You have to think about it for your own business. Are you trying to drive people to your Pinterest or your Instagram, or maybe you're trying to drive them, to your Facebook group? It's always amazing setting up Facebook groups of people who are interested in just adding value to people. You have no idea, or maybe you do, but you need to have an idea of the value of just giving away value for free. When you do that, you build kind of a rapport quicker than you could possibly do otherwise with these people. And even if it's a golf Facebook group, maybe all it is just talking about tips, training tips, the best accessories you found to kind of increase your golf game, or the best places to find deals on specific merchandise and things like that. And so setting up a Facebook group is a great idea. And so what we're going to do is we're going to set up our main menu, and then we're going to set up what's called our welcome message. So our welcome message is basically what you see when anyone messages the page. So our delivery rate is 99.9%, 99.5% for the open rate, and the click-through rate is almost 36%, which is crazy. So you set your welcome message. This is one of the ones that I have for one of my other businesses, but we would do something like, are you ready to improve your golf game forever? If so, then click the following link. And maybe we'd have something here that was, a link to whatever we wanted people to come to. We could set something up that said, let's actually set one up, just because we're gonna try to stay true to ninja fashion and actually do stuff instead of just talk about it like every other guru or expert out there. So if we go to discounts in Shopify here, let's create a discount. So we're going to call this one ManyChat 50%. We're going to do 50% off here. We're going to do entire order, everybody, limit 1 to customer. And we're going to start it now with no end date. So we're going to save this discount. and we're going to generate the code here. And then literally all we do, guys, is we could just make something, and I'll set something up super quick. We can just edit the message, come in here, and you could say something like, yeah, like, welcome to Golf Ninjas. And if you want to do like oh sorry, I did that kind of fast. So if you want to do a variable like a first name, you do an open or a little curly bracket, 2 of them, and then you can go to variable type first name, and now it'll say like Kevin or whatever their name is. Obviously, welcome to Golf Ninjas, Kevin. You can say something like, because we love you, we wanted to give you this awesome free gift. And emojis work great here, so let's do Emojipedia gift. So we have a little wrapped gift here, and they work dynamically in Messenger. So you could do a couple of these. So if we copy this awesome free gift like that, looks pretty good. And then you could say like, available today only, get 50% off all the hottest trending golf products. And we would just grab this discount code and say, we could just say something like, use code like that. And then literally we'd come down here, and as simple as this, guys, we would just go here. The button title would be Golf Ninjas, and then we just open the website and just change it to golfninjas.com. And it's as simple as that, guys. Now every time anybody messages your page, they're going to get this default reply with that 50% off coupon and a link directly to your Shopify site, and it's going to make a huge difference in your business almost immediately. So we're going to set up the main menu, and we're going to set up the default reply. So those are the 2 basic things that just work incredibly well for Manychat, especially if you're at $100 a day or more. It's just worth setting up, especially as you're starting to build your social media presence on Pinterest and Instagram and YouTube or whatever you decide, Facebook groups, your Facebook page, through, especially for ads. So when you're running ads from golfninjas.com or Golf Ninjas, the Facebook page, if people like the ad and they're interested, they can message your Facebook page. And when they message your Facebook page, it's going to come to Manychat, and then they're going to get this 50% off free coupon. And they're going to be very, very likely to click through to this website. So that is Manychat, guys. It is an incredible tool. It's not to be ignored. Building a Manychat so-called email list is actually more important than building an email list in a lot of demographics and in a lot of ways. So building an email list and building a Manychat list are going to pay off huge dividends to you guys. Guys, trust me, huge dividends. Even paying $1 to $2 to $5 per Manychat subscriber is worth it, especially when we start to build out sequences and do a little bit more of the complex stuff. So if you guys are more interested in Manychat or anything, make sure that we communicate. I love building like a really passionate family in the Shopify's Ninjas private student group. So just let me know your thoughts there on Manychat. We can have a lot more discussion on it if you guys want. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and let's get to the next one.